Beyond preparing them for their careers, schooling needs to prepare them for life.
We need to take a leaf from how farmers nurture their crops. We must continue to provide the right nurturing environment. They must believe that each seed will grow into the best adult plant it is naturally able to.
CCE is a vital part of education and is a lifelong process that requires continuous effort from educators and stakeholders.
CCE is not just a program for students, it is also about us as educators, who we are, what we stand for.
It's really about developing the right mindset, a sense of identity and purpose, to be anchored in values. With these qualities, our students can continue to grow and flourish at different stages of their lives.
The Character and Citizenship Education curriculum was first launched by MOE to develop students' character through 3 big ideas of identity, relationships, and choices.
We want to nurture good character in our young. We also want them to become responsible citizens who strive to understand themselves, their community, and to step up to contribute.
Why are we facing so many problems in the world today? Why are societies breaking down in many dimensions? There is an emerging crisis of identity, relationship, and responsible choices. The foundations of values in CCE are critical.
Times have changed. The world is changing. Therefore, timely change is needed so that CCE remains relevant to the times.
To stay relevant, our education system must deeply understand and adapt to the forces that shape our world, our society, and the nature of work. We can expect 2 trends. 1. We will live in a more connected yet fragmented world. Our people must have the skill sets and the mindsets to thrive in such an environment. 2. Singapore society will become more diverse in terms of backgrounds, perspectives, and aspirations. We must learn to channel this diversity into opportunities and strengths.
It is therefore most timely that we renew our diligence to address the nurturing of virtues for the next generation as individuals, fellow human beings, and members of society. The setting up of a Singapore Centre for Character and Citizenship reinforces our intentionality to strengthen character, well-being, and citizenship in our education endeavours for all our learners.
The Centre has a pivotal role in strengthening the nexus of research, policy, and practice, especially within the Singapore context. It will further our understanding of CCE through undertaking research that is deep and broad, and the findings will inform the work of policymakers, curriculum designers, school leaders, and teachers.
The CCE Centre is the first of its kind in the region and perhaps even in the world. It has the potential of developing CCE as a multidisciplinary field of study. I would see this centre being at the heart of exploring the values that we value and that hold us together, not only as a nation, but as a member of the global community.
I see the centre as a hub for teachers' professional development in CCE. Whether you are a student teacher just starting on your journey, or maybe you're an experienced educator seasoned with years of experience, the centre offers a suite of professional learning opportunities for your needs.
I look forward to teachers being more confident in seizing CCE opportunities and to feel like they have a bigger stake in the future of CCE through engagement with the centre.
Setting up the Singapore Centre for CCE shows MOE's unwavering commitment to nurture holistic, future-ready children and youth who can thrive in a turbulent world. I hope that the Centre will lead the way for CCE and signal its importance not just in our education system, but even in our larger society and beyond our shores.
I urge all of us to continue to bring together our collective wisdom, experience, and passion to give our young the best possibilities for success in the future that awaits them.
Education is the foundation on which we build our future.
It enables us to reach our fullest potential and be active contributors to society.